Hello students, I am Anubha Pandey. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Science Zone. In this video, we will discuss the formulas for curved or lateral surface area, total surface area and volume of cube, cuboid, cylinder. So, let's start the video. But before that, please subscribe to our channel. Dimensions. 3 steps from a solid to a point. In each step, while going from a solid to a point, we lose one extension called its dimension. Dimension is measurement of something in one direction. A solid has shape, size and position. It can be moved from one place to another. The boundaries of solids are called surfaces. They separate one part of space from another, and they have no thickness. The boundary of the surfaces are curves or straight lines. These lines ends in points. So, what is a point? A point is an undefined term which is used to locate a position in a plane. The point has no part, so it has 0 dimension. Whereas the line is a breadthless length, so it has one dimension, that is its length. The surfaces have no thickness but length and breadth, so they are 2D shapes. We can calculate their area and their perimeter. Finally, we have 3D solids which have length, breadth and height also. We can calculate the surface area of the solids and volume of the solids. Surface area. For 3D shapes which have base, there are 2 types of surface areas: curved surface area, or we can call it lateral surface area, and total surface area. First of all, what is a base? The base of 3D object is the bottom side or bottom face of that object. Or in a simple way, we can say the face on which the solid can stand is called its base. Sometimes a solid can have a top as well as a bottom. Then we say it have 2 bases. Now, what is total surface area? Total surface area is the sum of the areas of all the faces of a solid, whereas the curved or lateral surface area excludes the area of the bases. That means if we subtract the area of top and bottom from the total surface area, we will get curved surface area. Volume. Volume is capacity of a solid. That means how much amount of something that object can hold is called its volume. Cube. A cube have 6 faces. Each face is a square. Length of all the edges of a cube are equal. A dice, a Rubik's cube are few examples of cubical shapes. The top and bottom of a cube are congruent squares. Now let's see the first trick. To find curved or lateral surface area of a solid which have 2 congruent bases, we have to do the product of its perimeter of the base and its height. अगर आपके पास कभी भी एक ऐसा सॉलिड है जिसका टॉप और बॉटम कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, तो उसका CSA निकालने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? पेरीमीटर ऑफ द बेस मल्टीप्लाइड विद इट्स हाइट. एंड टू फाइंड इट्स वॉल्यूम, वी मल्टीप्लाई द एरिया ऑफ द बेस विद हाइट. So let's find out what is the formula for CSA of a cube. The base is a square. What is the perimeter of a square? 4 times the side. The length of the side is A. So the perimeter of the base will be 4A multiplied with height. Here the height of the solid is A again. We multiply it with A. 4 times A multiplied with A will give us the curved surface area, that will be 4A square. Now, what will be the formula for total surface area? The formula for total surface area is curved surface area plus the area of bases. In this case, the curved surface area is 4A square and the bases are squares. There are two bases and each base is a square. Area of one square is A square. So the area of two squares will be 2A square. So the total surface area of a cube will be 4A square plus 2A square, that will be 6A square. Now to find the volume, we have to multiply the area of base with height. In the case of the cube, area of base is A square and the height is also A. So the volume of cube will be A cube. Cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces and each face is a rectangle. Bricks and the building blocks are few examples of cuboidal shapes. It has two bases, the top's rectangle and the bottom rectangle. Both the top and bottom are congruent rectangles. So to find its curved or lateral surface area, we can use the previous trick. We have to multiply the perimeter of the base with the height of the solid. What is the base? The base is a rectangle and the formula for perimeter of rectangle is twice L plus B. We have to multiply it with the height. The height of the cuboid is h. So the formula for curved surface area of cuboid is 2 times of length plus breadth into height. Now to find its total surface area, we have to add the area of top and area of bottom also. The top and bottom are rectangles. The area of rectangle is L into B. So we have to add twice L into B. Now what will be the formula? We can see that from these two terms हम 2 common ले सकते हैं. So if you take 2 as common, then the formula for total surface area of cuboid will be twice LB plus BH plus HL. Now let's find the formula for its volume. The formula for volume is area of base multiplied with height. Here area of base is length into breadth, L into B multiplied with its height, H. So the formula for volume of cuboid is LBH. Cylinder. Cylinder is a 3D shape with one curved surface and 2 congruent circular faces. A tin can, batteries, straw, these are few examples of cylindrical shapes. In our syllabus, we learn right circular cylinders. What is a right circular cylinder? If you draw a line segment which join the center of the top and bottom circles of a cylinder, and that line segment is perpendicular to the radii of both the bases, such cylinder is called right circular cylinder. In cylinder also we can observe the bases are congruent circles. So to find the formula for curved surface area of cylinder, we have to multiply the perimeter of the base with the height. In the case of cylinder, the base is circle. So perimeter of circle will be its circumference. So circumference का formula होता है 2 pi r. 2 pi r multiplied with height of the cylinder will give us curved surface area. The formula for curved surface area will be 2 pi r h. Now to find total surface area, we have to add the area of top and area of bottom. In the case of cylinder, the top and bottom are circles. The area of circle is pi r square. So to find total surface area, we have to add the areas of the circles to the curved surface area. There are 2 circles, so we have to add 2 pi r square. Now we can clearly see that 2 pi r is common in both the terms. So we take 2 pi r common and then we'll get our formula for total surface area, which will be 2 pi r into h plus r. Now To find the formula for volume of cylinder, we have to multiply area of base with the height of cylinder. Area of base is a circle again. The area of base will be pi r square. If we multiply it with height, we will get the formula for volume of cylinder. The formula will be pi r square h. So students, in this video, we learnt the formula for curved or lateral surface area, total surface area and volume of cube, cuboid, cylinder. We also learnt a few tricks to remember the formulas of all these shapes. So students, that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep revising and keep practicing.